have it. She's assembled, she's back together. The amount of times I've dummy assembled and especially set these up, just different theories on what I think is going to work, and doing a bit of research and seeing what guys are running. I think this will be quite adequate. I was actually going to run the original shackles, but by the time I purchased the shackles brand new, then purchased bushes, literally these were only about $80 to $100 dearer. And I looked and went, you got to do all that work for that. Let's make it usable. So these little things here, you're probably wondering what the hell they are. My torch still working? Well, that's insane. There we go. So these are just a clamp. I've just got some crazy theories, and I don't want to stiffen up the spring rate, but I want to stiffen the spring itself, so that way the spring's not flexing and moving between two springs, because I don't have split monos. So I've got two springs, two leaves in there. I think that's all this thing's going to need, because it's never really going to see a massive amount of load. So I've put them on the rear, and I've also put them on the front. So this might be overkill, but I don't know yet. It's just an experiment more than anything. We can always take them out and see what they go like without. It's just one of those theories. You've got to have a go. So yeah, Viking shocks. We'll have to do them from up top. Can't do them here. Oh, might be able to, but anyway, they're the Vikings. These are just off the shelf. I basically measured up what I needed, and I've got the most travel I could get. Anti-roll bars or custom, that's actually out of the back of a VT Commodore, and solidly mounted. Sway bar links, I think they're universal setup for a Subaru, I believe. Can't remember that bit. Yeah, caltracs. I'm actually going to make a different type of bracket here, because I want to adjust this anti-squat and instant center. So if we've got our bar coming down here, here or here, just make it a little bit softer. Not all the time you need super killer anti-squat. If you've got too much anti-squat and you've got a lot of power at about 100 foot, she'll want to power wheelie and put you on the bumper bar, and that's not appropriate really. So there we go. I'll put the wheels on it, lower it down, and you can have a look how sexy it looks. So it's on the ground, and what we're going to do is install the tank. I've got Tweedledum and Tweedledummer, they're helping me. So can you see the thread hanging down there?
Oh, thread.
Yeah, the thread, that one.
Red. Is it like a bolt?
Yep, the bolt hanging there. So you put that on, and you put that on. Here's the spanner.
So twiddle D and twiddle D.
Right, you ready, numbskull?
Yeah.
Hold the spanner on.
This side?
Yeah.
Yeah, go on.
Other one.
Other one.
Left hand side. Alright, we'll bring this in closer so people can see goat head.
What? You want glasses? Ow! Yes, please. I'm getting stuff in my eye. Hey, let me know.
So put the washer on. Oh, that sounds good. That sounds good. He's getting it. Can you see him working?
Yeah, I know.
Come through here. You'll see him working. All right, numbskull. How'd you go?
It's on with the washer. The spanner's on it.
All right, legend. So if the fuel tank falls out, I'm blaming him.
Pardon?
If the fuel tank falls out, I'm blaming him.
He's blaming Twiddle. But Deegan is gonna.
We'll metal these back ones up.
She just stepped.
That's all right. So what I did on this rear one, I've actually tapped it.
Point into his
Drilled
face.
and tapped. That's what it's going to mean.
Make it sound a bit less loud in the video.
You do a lot of talking, kids. So this side here.
I'm not dumb.
That's it. So as you'll see, we haven't put the planks in, and my sway bar link is a little bit too long, so we're probably going to roughly halve that. That's about the height I want to have the bar at, and that was bar at. So this has got to be changed. I'm actually thinking of using some threaded rod.
Get out.
Sorry, I'm actually thinking of using some hex bar instead of the threaded rod. It just looks cheap and cheesy. So there we go. Here he is.
Yo, twiddle dum. And twiddle dum.
All the helper monkeys today. So that concludes the rear end. You can see how much separation we got. I'll take a step here. That's massive. So, and we've still got a little bit more to go on the slider, because once you run out of slider, that's it. You run out of separation. Plus the springs do bow a little bit. But we've got our adjustment, so we can move this forward and get even more separation if needed. Tunable, that's what you want. You want this to be highly tunable. So we'll drop the fuel tank in, as you've seen. Differentials in onto the front end now, which that's going to be very interesting.